We are harvesting broccoli from the garden because today on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making creamy and delicious broccoli and cheese risotto style rice. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat crock pot on the low setting. Chop onion. Also mince garlic. Spray crock pot with nonstick spray. Add onions, rice, broth, and garlic. Stir until combined. Cover and turn the crock pot to the high setting. Cook for 2 hours. Take a second to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other simple slow cooker recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe and click the notifications link so you know when we release new recipes. While the rice slowly cooks, chop florets from the head of broccoli. If needed, toast almonds and set them aside to cool. After 2 hours, stir and pour half of the half and half over the rice. Add broccoli to the crock pot too. Stir until combined and coat it. Cover and cook 20 minutes. What veggies would you add to this rice? Let us know in the comments below the video. At this time, grate the cheese. Also chop butter into cubes. And if needed, slice the almonds. At 20 minutes, pour in half and half and the grated cheese. Stir until fully coated. Add butter, combine, also add salt and almonds. You know what to do. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Once the butter has melted, transfer the broccoli and cheese risotto style rice to a serving dish. And make sure to enjoy this creamy and delicious side dish. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.